This could be the biggest yet smallest thing to happen to the Class C RV as you know it. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach outside the all-new 2025 Four Winds 19Z. So this is going to be your E-Spec or Essentials package, and what that means is you get everything you need for a great trip, a memorable experience, and a whole lot of fun, because we don't always need every bell and whistle and gadget and piece of tech to have a great time, do we? The answer is no. What you want is a comfortable motorhome that is easy to drive, that is going to give you a lifetime of memories. First, let's talk about the size, and one of the things I love about the 19Z, 20 feet, 4 inches in length. So this will take you anywhere. It's compact, and inside, the space is completely maximized for all of your adventures. What I love is this U-shaped dinette. So we're gonna start here. Seatbelts for 4 in here, sleeping for 3. So you have this set up, everybody's gathered around, you're having a great meal, you're playing games, whatever it is you wanna do, right here at the dinette. Then when it comes time for bed, and this is what I love about the 19Z. I know you're thinking, this is a small motorhome, Steve. How am I gonna fit there? Watch this. Now I want you to remember, I stand 6 foot 1/2 inch, flat-footed, according to the Department of Transportation. You put on big shoes like these with a nice little lift, gonna stand at 6 foot 1. Storage in here, unbelievable, right? Convenience. We thought of everything with this 19Z. So you store your table leg back there, so you have a seatbelt here, 12 volt back here, you have 110s, cup holders, nice shelves up here. You put your cushion here. We're gonna move this one out of the way. Your table pops into place down here. Take your cushions and you move those into place. Bigger cushions. Take the bigger cushions, let's move our little ones there. Bigger cushion here. You pop this up. I'll kick off the shoes, because you don't sleep in shoes. And watch this. Completely in here. This is awesome, right? So sleep 2 here, you have 1 in the over the cab bunk. Speakers here because your passenger's gonna sit back here for the ride. There are seatbelts back here. Tons of storage back here. Awesome. USB-A charging ports over there, 110s. Again, storage right over here as well. Perfect setup. Let's talk about a little more of that storage. Over here, nice large closet. Maybe that's where you're gonna store your shoes. We're gonna slip these puppies right back on. 2 drawers down below. Over into this kitchen. Great setup in here, right? So remember, under 21 feet, you have all the gadgets you need. 3 drawers, large storage cabinet over there, a lot of counter space, right? So you have a 2-burner gas cooktop here. So you have the pasta and the sauce going right there. Convection microwave, so this will cook anything you need. The air fryer button is going to come in handy. Fully equipped kitchen, nice sink, roll-out cover. You have the pull-down sprayer right there. Lights underneath, 110. Storage up above. 80 inches of ceiling height, so still plenty of room to move around. This is about the size of some camper vans, yet you're gonna get a lot more headroom inside. 13,500 BTU AC unit, and you have a wet bath. Incredibly large wet bath. I'm gonna stand in here and just look at the space. Look at all the room you actually have in a wet bath. You have a skylight, nice sink. You have your toilet down here as well. So everything you need in a bathroom, and yes, even with the door shut, you have plenty of leg room. You can pull this curtain around if you would like. So however you wanna use this, make it work for you. Wet bath in the 19Z. Gonna flip this down, talk about our control panel real fast. So 4,000 watt gas generator right here. You have auto gen start. That ties into the button down below. You press that on your way out and you dial in the parameters with the AGS app. You can check your tank levels from here, turn on your water pump, so real easy to control. Tankless hot water on here as well, and then you kick off your shoes one more time, and then you climb up into the over the cab bunk. Again, great room up here, right? So plenty of length for me. Smart TV. I don't think, unless you want to watch like this, some weirdo show, you can watch like that, but that's a smart TV. So if you use your phone as a hotspot, you can download all of your favorite shows right on there, stream them right to the TV. You also have WineGuard 360 on top, digital TV antenna to pull in all the stations. Event fan, you have some cup holders up here. There are USB-A, 110 plugs over there, window blinds, privacy curtains, so easy sleeping for 3 in this 19Z. And then you just climb on down. What I love about this ladder is just how quick and easy it folds up and stores away. We're gonna set that right up here. I'm gonna talk about this Ford E-Series chassis real quick. 7.3 liter V8. You still get all the tech on board with Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a lot of cup holders up here, storage, everything you need for a great, comfortable ride. So we're gonna walk around outside, set up camp for you real quick, talk about the bells and whistles. You still get an awning. You can put that out right from here. That is going to be your auto gen start switch. But I love this, right? So you do have the awning with an LED strip. Water connection right there. That is going to be your fresh water fill. Little storage bay down below. Couple of 110s out here. Make sure you're plugged into shore power or have that 4,000 watt gas generator on to work those. A little storage compartment here. Pass through, by the way, so you can really fit some longer items in there, fishing poles, camping chairs, all the things you need for a great trip. Nice storage bay here. These are rotocast storage bays, so they're not gonna mildew, they're not gonna mold, they're not gonna get that bay stank that can completely ruin your trip. Then we get to the back. Nice steel bumper back here. You still have an 8,000 pound hitch on this, 7-pin connector. There's your 4,000 watt gas generator. Coming around to our campsite, I love that all the connections are right here. Again, this is that pass-through, so you can access this from either side. Propane, you're gonna need that for your heat and for your hot water. Fuel fill right here, 30 amp shore power cord. This is going to be your cable connection if you are connecting cable at the campsite. City water connection is here. Tank flush is right here. That is for your tankless hot water. And then you have your holding tanks right here, your termination handles. All of the tank sizes are right here on your screen. Again, this is going to be a wet bath for you with a standard, more traditional RV plumbing system. You have your entry door, E350, E-Spec, Essentials, 4 Winds 19Z. I told you, this is an awesome small class CRV. It's the one you've been waiting to travel in and you want to learn more about it, so why not build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.